there, it's Matt from Kinetic Estate Agents. We're here at Hilltop House in Blankney Fen. Let's have a look around. So that was downstairs. Some fantastic proportioned rooms, a great sized kitchen diner, and probably my favourite thing is the wraparound gardens with a brilliant outbuilding, perfect for entertaining and the family. Let's take a look upstairs. So that concludes our snapshot of Hilltop House today. I think you can tell by the videos that upstairs offers some fantastic family accommodation. But one of my personal favourites would be waking up to these gorgeous fieldside views every single day. If you are interested in booking a viewing, there'll be a link right at the end of the video.